Hi, I'm Shelbea Treanor. I'm an active duty captain transitioning out of the Army in March of 2025. I served primarily as a logistics manager during my Army career, but recently decided to transition out of the military to pursue new career paths. I chose SkillBridge to focus on my new career goals and begin the transition from a military officer to a civilian in the workforce. So I chose Bayer for my SkillBridge program for a variety of reasons. The first reason was that I was able to tailor my SkillBridge timeline to my military transition timeline. So they were really flexible with the schedule, which was awesome. And then also Bayer gave me the opportunity to work in the new career path that I'm interested in sustainability. So while I was here, I worked on and planted a sustainable regenerative agriculture plot. So we're out here, we're at the sustainable regenerative plot, and I was able to plant a variety of native Hawaiian plant species and really learn more about Bayer's sustainability goals. This opportunity has given me the experience to explore new career paths, learn something new, and apply to full-time employment. I'm really grateful for the experience here at Bayer and thankful to everyone on the team here at the Lower Kinea Farm.